We will conclude this section of the presentation with an overview of images taken in the course of the reconnaissance survey of the Ifitogwari campus of the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Anambra State, Nigeria. The images will show you that there are different land cover types within the campus. There are different soils within the campus. There are different hydrologies in terms of waterlogged soils, upland soils, water channels, streams within the campus. As we move along, based on the images you see on the screen, you will see and experience the variations within the campus. Actually, the campus covers an area of about 119 hectares, all of which are quite diverse. You have upland areas, you have mid-slope areas, and of course you have lowland areas, just like the areas you see right now. These are lowland areas where, as you can see, swamp rice is being cultivated. Now these are mid-slope areas where you see lots of grasses growing amidst trees. These are lowland areas where you have, of course, rice fields. Those areas are swampy, so our plant crops will not grow there, and maybe you won't even have to build, you can't even build solid structures within the area without drainage. These are basically rice land, so any other crop you grow there like maize, cassava will be a waste of time because they will just rot in the soil and then die off. In order to do those, you have to drain the land. Of course, you might plant on very large mounds, as is done by some farmers within certain periods of the year. Now, these are rice fields, and you can see lots of rice plants already transplanted within the field, doing real good. Now, here you view the field, all level, flat, with trees in the periphery. Those tree-lined areas are more like the uplands within the setting, whereas most of the area is covered by your lowland, flatlands, where you have more of the rice. Now, this is the site, and it's quite diverse, like we mentioned earlier on.